13 years, a little girl is ready to rebel, 'cause the first 12 was filled with hell. Not knowing of a childhood, staying out late, doing dumb stuff straight up to no good. Graduating from the school of hard knocks in class on those rough ass blocks. Locks had to be put on the windows, 'cause if not, then out she would go. Her moms never seemed to care, so she ended up playing real life truth or dare. Never seeing friendly faces, yo, no warm embraces. This was on a day-to-day basis, living kinda foul with a fake smile. All alone, crying tears of a real child. Damn. In search of a friend to avoid her mom's end, 'cause she stuck on the 151 gin. Alone in the cold, crude world was an innocent, beautiful little girl. A child sits in a corner with a tear and a frown. Whatever happened to the sounds of the playground? When a young black man's on the cut to get the bang on or bring his slang on, now you tell me what's really going on. You don't know, I kinda have a hint to bring in them dead presidents. A teenager that's a drifter, Papa was a rolling stone and went straight out the picture. This is a common ratio, you know, how blacks survive in the ghetto. Damn, mom's working hours 12 to 12. Now this is what he's gotta do to put food on the shelves. Caught up in the situation of a jack, and he's gotta look out for his homeboys back. Then around the corner came a punk, a shot to the head and the stomach was a pump. Damn. Trying to beat those crazy streets. Now he's done messed up, having bad dreams for 2 weeks. Nerves of steel, a mind of a street soldier. Nuts about the bus, but he's gotta keep his composure. 15 years old, almost with a breakdown. Whatever happened to the sounds of the playground? When a child comes in, it's as precious as a pearl. He or she didn't ask to come in this world. Any brother with a penis can make a baby, Parker. It takes a real man to be your father. Precise is about to put you in a check, son, because the infant's life means more than your erection. Going into the flesh full throttle, but she can't find your ass when it's time to warm the baby's bottle. I don't see how you can stand. You made the child, so won't you be a man? Hold up the shoes on the other foot. To all the women, you know who you are. So here, take a good look. Using protection, that's an option. You didn't want it, now your child is up for an adoption. That's a punk move gone left. And now you're reminiscing, looking at your pictures on the bookshelf, trying to make amends with your heart. You should have thought about this stuff from the very first thought. To the brothers and sisters, you're the kings and queens, wear your crown, and let your child enjoy the sounds of the playground.